Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how to disable Windows security. Open the start menu and type Windows security in the search bar. Click on the Windows security app that appears in the results. In the Windows security app, click on the Virus and Threat Protection tab on the left hand side. Under the Virus and Threat Protection Settings section, click on the Manage Settings. Toggle the switch under the Real-Time Protection. A warning message will pop up asking if you are sure you want to turn off Windows Defender. Click Yes to confirm. To the Off position. This will turn off Windows Defender's real-time protection. If you want to disable Windows Defender altogether, you can also toggle the switch under the Cloud Delivered Protection on the off position. Thank you.